Welcome, skill builders, to another unauthorized and rum-fueled treasure hunt. OlaCast skill builder in the sharky waters around the Gatsby Islands without Queen Raae. I'm your host, Captain Ola, and today a new sanity backend. Oh, sorry about that. A new sanity backend. Is what I'm doing. And why? Why am I doing it? Because I want to be ready. I want to be ready so that I can upgrade when Sanity releases support for the new Image CDN by Gatsby. Well, and how? We'll get into how. So, what is this? Image CDN thingy. Share screen. Yeah. You see over here. Wow, it's a little small, isn't it? Let's try to make it bigger. If I can. Thanks. Yeah. Zoom in. I did zoom in. That is zooming. I clicked the zoom in thing. No, that's not how I get it bigger. Okay, then. If you must be like that, and I guess you must, then I'll use this thing here where I can actually use plus to make it bigger. Hopefully. Plus. Okay. At Gatsby Conf, so this is March 2nd. Kyle Matthews said, we're launching today at Gatsby Conf a new Image CDN, much faster image builds and local and load times. Gatsby plus Drupal / WordPress sites are getting huge improvements. E.g. Gatsby JS comes cold build time got 70% faster. E.g. that means for example, I think. Okay. So here, Image CDN lightning fast image processing. This is what I want, but look at this. Yarg, says the queen. Yeah. Okay, remove comment. Yes. So, yeah. I don't use Drupal. I don't use WordPress. But I have a feeling that Sanity will... they got me covered. They're going to fix this. They haven't promised me anything, but that's just how I feel. So here's to them. Cheers, Sanity. I feel that you will do it. You'll do it. Okay. No, I want... Yes, here. So this is the blog post that Kyle is linking to. It's written by Jack Selwood. He's a great guy working over at Gatsby. And it's Image CDN, lightning fast image processing for Gatsby Cloud. What is this? What is this thing here? Contentful, he says. Well, I'm not using that actually either now. I'm using Sanity, but you know, Contentful is great. Use it. So we're turbo boosting. We're turbo boosting page performance with edge network image optimization. I don't really understand how this works, but I really feel this is going to be great. This is going to be great for Lillian and my page, where we have right now we have like 20 photos, but Lillian is going to take photos with this camera here. Today we're going up to my sister's, and we're going outdoors there. She lives by the woods up in Oslo. Here we're going. Lillian is going to take some photos here with this. We're going to, and we have a lot of photos. There's going to be a lot of photos here. Yeah. So we need it. We need some kind of thing here. And how does it work? I'm not quite sure, and that's why I want to try it out. So here they say, Image CDN. Oh, the wrong way. Don't go the wrong way. Image CDN results. We've enabled Image CDN on GatsbyJS.com, and the results are impressive. Gatsby has a 10,000 page site. Oh, 5,000 images. Well, I won't maybe have 5,000, but I'm going to have several a couple of years from now. Blah, 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 much faster. Okay. I'm not going to read this, why it's faster, because I trust these guys. It's going to be faster. So how to do it? I'm not doing this today, though. I'm just going to show you. So this is on support at Gatsby Cloud, isn't it? Yeah, this is on Gatsby Cloud. How to enable it, and you just go in and you click some stuff in the site settings there, right there. You just click that, and then you upgrade these packages. I actually tried this. I did this. Follow this here, yarn add, and you see at the end of each one, it's at next, which is like yeah, that worked. I got that to work, and then I got this to work because I tried to source source WordPress thing, but my WordPress from 2015 had something with it, and I never really understood how to use it back in 2015, and now I haven't used it for isn't it 7 years? So I don't know how to fix it. I'm not going to find out because I want to use sanity. Yeah. And then you have to migrate the Gatsby image field here. So this is not what we're to verify CDN is working, your images should be served from a relative URL. So that's the thing. The images are like, when you go to look at my page and Lillian's page, the images will be like close to you on the internet in some kind of way, instead of you having to kind of wait for them or something. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So here. No, not here. Here's the page. Here's the page. Yeah. So here are the images, photos by Lillian. Lillian skiing, skating, skiing. This is Beep Up, the robot Lillian made. And then all of these images, they are inside of here, inside of Sanity. Here they are. Lillian skating. So this is the new one, and this is the old one. So see here, maybe I should put them side by side. Package JSON. Come on. Yeah. or maybe I should have that there and move this here. You see here? 1.1. 1.1. I tried to change that there, but that didn't work. These are all pegged by Westboss to this version. Oh, sorry, Westboss. I didn't mean to do that. Because I used them on Westboss's Great Master Gatsby course to learn how to set up sanity. And then I just did a new one here. And you see, like, you see here? 2. Look at this. 2.2. 2.2. That's what I want. I don't want 1.5. Okay? How did I do this then? Now we're getting to the how. That's great. So first I just did sanity init, and then I got a new sanity, and they asked me a couple of questions, about what I wanted, and that was pretty easy. And wasn't that? Yeah, and then I did sanity start. And when I did sanity start, I did not get this here, even though all the photos are inside, because I hadn't created this here parrot thing and this here duct tape thing inside of my sanity. And I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to show you how I do it now. Because what I did, I just copy pasted these files from what I've been doing. Just copy pasted them from the old one. It was very, very easy. It was very, very easy, actually. I just copy pasted them, and I'm going to look at them. And I didn't do anything with this code here. Pizza. That's what I call the images, because that's what their here name pizza, because that's what Westboss does in his course. And I like to think of them as pizza. It's great. So here, all this code you see here is basically setting up this. It's basically setting up this here. Yeah, my internet is a little slow. I'm sorry about that. So you see here, maybe I should shrink it a little. Shrink to fit. Oh, sorry. Oh, no. Shrink, 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 shrink. I need to close all these windows now. I don't need them. Oh, man. Oh, man. Don't look at that. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's very bad. Okay. Oh, shit. I want to close that up. Oh, man, I can't. Screw that. Sorry about the cursing here. That's how life is sometimes. A little bit of cursing. Okay. Disconnected. Yeah, you are disconnected. Okay. Sanity start. So I didn't do all this here. I just copy pasted it. I've done it before. I just copy pasted this code here to create this stuff here. So here you can see name, title, photo name, and you see it over here, photo name. Here, oops, here. Oh. This is a string. I want the name to be a string, and then the description, the name. And here, this is something else. This is great. I'm not going to talk about it, but this is great. And then here is an image. It's called photo with a little thing here. That's the type of image. And I'm not, hotspot is great. Check it out. And then that's it. And then I'm using it here in schemas. Schemas, yeah. So I'm just saying pizza, import pizza from pizza. Types, schema types, concat, and here, put my types here. Here's my type, pizza. And also a topping. This is great. This is the tags. These are the tags. And it's the same thing here. So that's what I did. Just copy pasted them in a schema. And now import topping, import topping from topping. Yep. And I'm gonna sit down now. You can all handle that. Okay. And then I just did compiling, blah 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 blah. Here it is. And then I did sanity start, which I did a little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah. And then I did sanity start, and then I get this. Then I get this here thing, and all my content. I created a new backend in a way. Stop it. But I didn't change my actual backend. I didn't change any of my content. My content is still the same. So now I just because I'm connected to this here. I'm connected to this here project inside Sanity with my project ID, I think, and my token. I'm connected to it. So all my photos are still here. They're all tagged here. I'm just keeping all of it, but now everything, all the versions are new. But here are all my tags. Everything is the way it should be. Yep. So that I did that, and then that literally took. Now I've been streaming for 17 minutes. It took me a lot less than 17 minutes because I've been talking so much, and I didn't do that when I did it. And then when I checked it out here in my local host, yeah, it's working. Then I just did this. Sanity, GraphQL, deploy production. Boom shakalaka, and you see what I got then? Sanity basically told me, is it a little small? Yeah. I bet that I can use plus here. Yes! Look at this. Big! Sanity, GraphQL, deploy production, and the Sanity basically, Sanity basically told me that dataset production, which is right, tag default is right, and then it started doing this, checking for deploy, and then it said, do you want to enable GraphQL Playground? And I said no. And then it just said, boom, 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 bada bim, bim, bam, and I'm good to go. And now I have to hook it up to my front end. So this is my backend here. This is my backend. What I showed you here, that's my whole backend thing. And I have my code in VS Code here, and I have my photos here and my tags here. That's everything. That's all I got. And here's my front end. No. Oh, I don't want to show you that. Will it happen to end up there now? No. Okay, I'm not going to show you the front end then. But this is what I did. I just did it, and well, yeah, actually. And then I hooked it up. And then I hooked it up. This is very small again. I shouldn't be using. I should stop using Chrome because I can't zoom anymore. I have to go up here to zoom. That equal thing is not working for me at all. I want a plus here. Yes! Give me that. Okay, good. Here, blah, 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 blah. Where is it? Continuous. I want my envs. My envs. Here it is. So I just clicked here. I'm not going to do that now. Edit variables. I went in and I put my sanity token here inside a Netlify. And that's it. That's it. And also have that sanity token in my front end code. And yeah, that's it. That's all I did, actually. That's all. Let's sum it up. That's all for today, folks. Let's sum it up. Should I make it big? Can you see what it says? Maybe you can. What? A new sanity backend. Sorry. Why? Because I want to be ready when sanity comes with Image CDN. Image CDN. Because I want that. I want it. I'm going to have a lot of photos here, and that's what I want. So that's it. And how did I do it? I went in here. I open up a new what you call them. I open up a new I can't see it now. It's gone. Is it because it's so big? I open up a new folder here, and I did actually. Well, that's good point. Okay, let's kill it. I first did isn't it here? Oh. I got the newest Sanity CLI first. Yes. Is that on my notes, maybe? Sanity upgrade? No, that's not what I did. Okay. I did got the newest Sanity CLI, and then I just did Sanity init. Sanity init. I got the newest CLI. I did Sanity init, and they asked me a couple of questions there. I answered them. Started this up, and these are my files, my schema files. One is called pizza. That's the photos. One is called topping. That is the tags, and that's why that's because that's what Gatsby calls it in Master Gatsby. That's why I use pizza and topping. And also, I like it. It's easier to think about pizzas in my head than photos because I kind of feel that photos is a little vague in general, whereas pizza is very, you can smell them, taste them in your head. Yeah. And then I just imported them. So I import pizza here from pizza. And this is my interface here that I'm using here. And I'm disconnected from the server now because I'm not, it's not built, but you can still see it. So that's the interface inside. I don't think I can get it. No, I can't load it. Yeah, I can't load it. That's weird. Okay, I can still load it even though the server is disconnected. Okay, maybe it's not weird. I don't know. So this is it. I'm just creating my own interface, and I must do that because Lillian is going to upload her own images and photos, and she's already been doing that. We've been doing it together a couple of times, but it needs to be super easy or else she won't do it. And if she won't do it, and I have to do it, and I don't want that. I want her to do it. So that I'm creating the interface here for the photos. I'm creating the interface here for the tags. That looks like this. Tags. Lego is a tag. Lego is a tag. So this is it. This is what I'm making here. I'm just saying I want to name. I'm creating the fields basically. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. That's what I did. And then sanity, start to check that it was working. And then, okay, I must use my other mouse because this one is a little unstable. Here you go. And then sanity, GraphQL, deploy production. Boom shakalaka. And then putting it into my Netlify and my front end code. And that's it, everybody. That's it for today. Yeah. Let's bring some music. How am I going to do this? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Now I can see it. Okay. That's it. Unshare. Here you go. Yeah, you can see my piece of paper. That's the text for the song right there. This has been another OlaCast. Skill builder treasure hunt in the sharky waters round the Gatsby Islands without Queen Raae. I'm your host, Captain Ola. Remember to smash that like button, friends. And next time we'll do something else. See you next Sunday.